we'll guide you through how to make tick button on PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device, then click Blank Presentation and select Create in the bottom left corner. Next, right-click the line in the rectangle shape at the top, then right-click the line in the rectangle shape at the bottom to prepare your layout. After that, go to the Insert tab and click Shapes. Choose a rectangle and drag it larger so the details are easy to see. In Shape Format, click the small arrow to open Theme Styles, then choose any style you want and apply it. Click the arrow for Shape Outline, choose a color, open it again, click Weight, and select a size you prefer. Next, go to Insert and choose Icons. When the Icons panel appears, click the search bar and type Check. Resize the check mark until it matches the rectangle. Click the check mark, go to Graphic Format, then double-click the graphic and rename it as Checkmark. Double-click the rectangle and rename it Checkbox. Now go to Animations and open the Animation Pane. In the Animation options, click the arrow and choose Appear. Select the checkmark, click Trigger, choose On Click Of, and select the box. After that, add an exit effect and choose Disappear. Then, in Animations, select the checkmark again, click Trigger, choose On Click Of, and select Checkmark. Next, click Slideshow on the bottom bar to test the result. Click the box, and if the checkmark appears and disappears continuously when you click, then you have successfully created a tick button. To make the result clearer, ensure the rectangle is large enough to display the icon properly. You can also adjust the outline thickness and color again if needed for better visibility. Make sure the checkmark is centered inside the rectangle so it looks balanced. If necessary, use alignment tools to position it precisely. Additionally, review the Animation Pane settings to confirm that each trigger works smoothly and in the correct order. Testing the slide multiple times will help ensure the interaction behaves consistently every time.